Fifth grade, Chapter 10 review, vocabulary. Choose the best term from the box. A metric unit of mass that is equal to 1,000 of a gram is called a milligram. A metric unit for measuring length that is equal to 10 meters is called a decameter. Concepts and skills convert. 96 ounces equals how many pounds? So when we're doing this, we always need to remember to use our conversions first and then start working out the problem. So I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces. And then I'm going to take 96 divided by 16 because I'm going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So I divide, and that equals 6. So 96 ounces equals 6 pounds. Now I had 5 kilograms equals so many grams. I know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. And since I'm going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, I need to multiply. So 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000. Now we have 500 minutes equals so many hours and minutes. I know that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. I also know that 6 times 8 is 48, so that gets me close to 50 without going over, or 480 gets me close to 500 without going over. So I would say 8, and then I would take 60 times 8 and get 480, leaving me 500 minus 480 equals 20. So 8 hours, 20 minutes. Now I have 65 yards, 2 feet, and they want to know how many feet that equals total. So I know that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So I'm going to take 65 times 3 and get 15, carry my 1. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. And then I'm going to do 195 plus 2 because I have another 2 feet. So 7, 9, 1. So 197 feet. Compare, right? Less than, greater than, or equal to. So I'm going to go ahead and change my 7 weeks to days. So I know 1 week equals 7 days. So 7 times 7 equals 49. So 7 weeks is less than 52 days. 4 liters and 3,000 milliliters. So I am going to compare those. And I know that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So I'm going to take 4 times 1,000. Now I'm going to get 4,000. So 4 liters is greater than 3,000 milliliters. Now don't forget, on these you also need to show your conversions as well in your work. As 72 inches compared to 2 yards. So I know that 1 yard equals 36 inches. So I'm going to take 36 times 2 and get 72. So 72 inches is equal to 2 yards. Solve. Number 10. A girl walks 5,000 meters in 1 hour. If the girl walks at the same speed for 4 hours, how many kilometers will she have walked? So I need to underline 5,000 meters, 4 hours, and then how many kilometers will she have walked? So I know I need to take, first of all, I need to take 5,000 times 4, which equals 20,000. Then I know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Now, my answer is 20,000 meters. And they want it in kilometers. So I need to go from a smaller unit to a larger unit. So that means I'm going to divide. So that means since I have 3 zeros here, I'm going to move my decimal over 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So that leaves me with 20 kilometers. So you guys will do numbers 11 through 14 for homework. Don't forget to do your information and show work. Same as with numbers 15 through 18. They will be for homework as well. Don't forget to do your info and show work. Constructed response, number 19. Louisa needs 3 liters of lemonade and punch for a picnic. She has 1,800 milliliters of lemonade. How much punch does she need? Explain how you found your answer. So she needs 3 liters. She has 1,800 milliliters of lemonade. How much punch does she need? And then explain how you found your answer. So I know that there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So 3 times 1,000 equals 3,000. So then I need to take 3,000 minus 1,800, which is 0, 0. This becomes a 10. This becomes a 2. So 2, 1. So 1,200 milliliters. So basically I'm going to write, this is going to be 1,200 milliliters because, and then I'm going to explain what I did up in my work, because 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So you would take 3 times 1,000 and get 3,000. Then 3,000 minus 1,800 to get 1,200. Number 20, Maddie bought 10 quarts of ice cream. How many gallons and quarts of ice cream did Maddie buy? Explain how you found your answer. So she has 10 quarts of ice cream, and I know how many gallons and quarts of ice cream did she buy. Explain how you found your answer. So I know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So I would take 10 divided by 4, which gets me 2, remainder 2. So basically, she had 2 gallons, 2 quarts, because 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 10 divided by 4 equals 2, remainder 2. Performance task. Number 21. The drama club is showing a video of their recent play. The first showing began at 2:30. The second showing was scheduled to start at 5:25 p.m. with a half-hour break between the showings. So basically, the first one starts at 2:30 p.m. and then the next one starts at 5:25 p.m. And then it says there's a half-hour break between showings. So I know I'm going to have to go back this way 30 minutes. So that would get me 4:55 p.m. Then I need to figure out how much time there is between 2:30 and 4:55 p.m. So I know to get me from here to here, minutes-wise, that is going to get me, well, technically what I could do here is I could go to 3 or 2:55 p.m. But this is my end time. So to get from here to here to here, that is going to be 25 minutes. And to get from here to here, that's going to be 2 hours. So basically each show would be 2 hours and 25 minutes. Letter B, explain how you can use the number line to find the answer. So basically what that would be is exactly what I just did up at the top. I would use a number line to show that you would have to go back 30 minutes from 5:25 to get 4:55. Then it would be 25 minutes to get from 2:30 to 2:55, and then 2 hours to get from 2:55 to 4:55. The arrows would show movement. Letter C, the second showing started at 20 minutes late. Will the second showing be over by 7:45? Explain why your answer is reasonable. So it was supposed to start at 5:25, but then it started late, so it went 20 minutes, so late 20 minutes. So that means it didn't start until 5:45, and then we know that each show goes for 2 hours and 25 minutes. So if I go my 25 minutes here, that puts me at 6:10. And then I need my 2 hours still. Which would put me at 8:10. No, because the original start time is at 5:25, so the show wouldn't start until 5:45, then 2 hours and 25 minutes later would make the show end at 8:10. Now, what you guys are also going to do for homework on top of your multiple choice questions is your extra practice. So you guys will do page P215 and page P216. Do not forget to show your conversions and then show your work on all of 1 through 24. Then on 10.4, you need to underline your information, show your work, and if you need to, don't forget to put a label. Then on 10.7, don't forget to show your work on all of those and then give your answer.